As you're aware that we have put up 2 committees specifically to look into the Khasi-Jaiñtia and the Garo tribe.
Kapakin bakin dali scientific kan ibo kinda bet we kita theory kinda pension nong tin na kita theory ki prepare komno ban la man sei ya ka ta ka sapang thamai jong yu khasi kan jin ta pa chipon ke
Thaw Chief Minister ni deng thang mancha program thari nga pa chokmadan research program a chakrang ni aru khasirang ni wamang ni ma ambi ko sandina gata takani kamera skang pade ongpa anthropological perspective par bagen yang angane naka a chakjat aru khasi jat dia sunguni mancha ibaha dia sungu wamang sungdong chingachim warangko sandi ni yarangko tikana gata mangen geni para jatni itihas ni geman panoni mai take apa chingachim apa chingone man sang jang mangba matna depet jatni itihas ko wina gata nambati wina gata aru okni wina gata aru wa wiachi maiba nambatata nirangko ban maiba ongija segemen rangko ba chanchiarang donga ngodi warangko nambatatna gata mangen ya le chanchia
and do a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, to document different aspects of both the Khasi-Jaiñtia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community.